Hey everyone, I'm excited. Guess what I got in the mail? It's been about a year since I've last posted, so I got excited for this box because I got it pretty quick. But let me show you what's in the box. All right, so this is the base box, March 22 base box. It looks pretty thick, like a deep box, so I'm interested to see what we got. All right, so we open it up. That's what the Boxycharm base looks like on the inside. The card says, Game Changer, celebrating game changers and boss babes in honor of Women's History Month. All right. All right. So the first thing we got is Aceology. This is the detoxifying treatment mask. It says it detoxifies, purifies, and regenerates. So that's what it looks like. This is a face mask, and it retails for $69. Wow. It says a supercharged healthy retreat for congested skin, working to draw out blackheads and impurities and clear clogged pores with skin-loving charcoal. The charcoal's antibacterial and purification powers are unrivaled with any other detoxifying ingredient when it comes to extracting sebum and dirt, and the antioxidant-laden botanicals balance and protect the skin for a poreless and flawless texture. So let's just open it up so we can see what it looks like. Oh, there's a lot of space in there, of unused space. All right, so this is what it looks like. A squeezy tube, and it is sealed. All right, so we're starting off with the face mask. Let's see. The second product I have in here is a coconut and fig hair mask. So we went from a face mask to a hair mask. It says it has coconut oil and muru butter. And let's see what this is going for. Style Dry, $16.95. This super hair mask is enriched with coconut oil and muru butter for healthy, hydrated, and glossy hair. It's the must-have hair mask to nourish your hair deeply and give you the ultimate treatment at home. Your hair will be moisturized, silky, and shiny as never before. So I'm always down for a good hair mask, so we'll see. I'm not mad at that. The next thing we have in here is from Earth Harbor, Nymph Nectar, a superfruit radiance balm, sea fruit and super berries. It's 1 fluid ounce. That's what it looks like. Vegan, cruelty-free, plant-based. It looks like it's a moisturizer. Oh, speaking of which, hold on. Let me go back and see if the Style Dry hair mask is sealed. Yeah, it's sealed. This is what the Nymph Nectar looks like when you open it up. It says, dive into glowing skin. And that's what the container looks like. This is what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so let's read about this. This is $38. Wow. As sea fruits and tropical super berries playfully melt across your face with this balm, they insert a lively abundance of vitamins C, A, E, and K, omegas, amino acids, and numerous other bioactives necessary for achieving your best, bounciest, dewiest skin yet. $38, huh? It smells pretty good. It smells tropical. So, still, we don't have a makeup item. The next thing we got is Vike Makeup Melt. And let's see what this says. A makeup removal spray with skincare benefits. Makeup Melt has 4 key antioxidants to nourish your skin after removal, leaving your skin bright, clean, and renewed. No wipes or pads needed. Simply spray and Makeup Melt will remove your makeup, giving you a spa-like experience at home. $24. That's interesting. So it does have it does have a protective cover on it. And the last item is my choice item, and that's the Ofra Blush Palette. The packaging is like a cardboard type. It's like a cotton candy pink with it looks like makeup products on it. And when you open it, that's what it looks like. Let me take this off so you can actually see what it looks like up close. Yeah, so it has some pretty colors in here. That one looks almost, it's like a bright orange. Well, like, I guess it's making it look brighter. The camera's making it look brighter than it is, but yeah, I want to try one of these on. So actually, maybe I'll do some swatches. Let's do some swatches. Do these have names? Yeah, so we got pink satin, Mai Tai, candy apple, rendezvous, fire orange, and coral crush. Or it's opposite. Maybe this one is, it doesn't match the names. That's kind of odd. Unless I'm supposed to. I don't know. It's a little confusing, but the names kind of don't seem like they're matching right now. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Let's do some swatches and see. So we're gonna go with this one first. That's what that one looks like. Actually, let's use this makeup spray so I can get this off my fingers so we can see how well this works too. This Mai Tai one, this orange one, it's really creamy and smooth. So this one right here is this one. The next one is this like baby pink looking one right there. And you can't see it that well, but it's right there. So let's go with the last row and see how these look. So this is the darker pink of the pinks in here. And that is this one here. And it looks like that on the skin. This one right here is the brightest one. It's like a red, orange, more on the red side. This one is that one. And then the last one is more like my skin tone. It's really pretty though. Hold on, let's see. I don't know if it'll show up that good, but it might look more like a bronzer on me. So it's this one here. It's probably gonna be one of my favorites though. And it's this one here. So I just want to put some on. Let me see. I'm going to use this Vike spray and I'm going to try to see how this comes off. All right. It's pretty smooth too. Yeah, look at that. Completely off. Hey, I think I like that. Okay, so let's put, I got it all over the palette. That spray is like everywhere now. Okay, so which one? Let me see. Let's do one of the pinks. Maybe this one right here. Looks pretty. And then let's go with a different one. Let's see. Look at that. This close to red one here. It looks kind of scary, but I think it'll end up being really pretty. You know what? This is like, this surrounding cover of the blushes is like styrofoam, like it's padded. I don't know if I like that. It makes it feel a little bit cheap. Look at that. That's pretty. I mean, I could probably definitely blend it in better, but yeah. So yeah, it's pretty. I'm excited. So that is the box. Let me put everything together so you can actually see it. So again, we have my choice item, which is the Ofra Blush Palette, the Vike Makeup Remover Spray. I like this. The Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. The Aceology Detoxifying Treatment Mask. And the Earth Harbor Nymph Nectar Radiance Balm. And the box was pretty jam-packed. And it's actually heavy. It carries some weight to it, but this is what it looks like. Hold on a second. You open it up. Yeah. So I think even though I only received one makeup item, which was my choice item, I'm pretty satisfied because I'll use all these products, which are a great thing. I don't think it's any like fluff items that are put in there because I'll put good use to all of them. But I hope you enjoyed. All right. You guys take care. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.